This video shows you how to park calls on the VVX 600 series phones. Before we begin, it's important to note that this process may differ between call servers and device configurations. This demonstration uses a BroadSoft call server, which means the park and retrieve codes are *68 and *88 respectively. We will cover both the enhanced call park and standard call park configurations in this video. First, establish a call. Then, press the hold button. Dial *68. Enter the extension number of the line you want to park the call on, then press pound. You can also park the call on the phone's active extension by pressing only the pound key. When retrieving your call, you need to know if you do or do not have enhanced call park enabled. If you do, then your line registration will display an icon to indicate a parked call. Long press on the line to get more details and an option to retrieve the parked call. If you do not have enhanced call park enabled, or you want to retrieve a call parked on an extension which you are not monitoring, dial *88 and enter the extension followed by pound. To retrieve any calls parked on the phone's active extension, you can simply press pound. Thank you for watching.